Most people get travel credit cards wrong by focusing only on point accumulation. They forget to consider fees, perks, and redemption options. The RBC Avian Visa Infinite Credit Card is designed for travelers who want flexibility and premium benefits. Today, I'll share my experience and what you need to know before applying. The card earns RBC rewards points on all purchases, with higher points for travel and dining. For example, a $2,000 monthly spend could earn enough points for a round-trip flight within a year, depending on redemption strategy. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how quickly points add up with consistent spending. Beyond points, the card offers travel insurance, including flight delay, lost baggage, and rental car coverage. Priority airport services and concierge support enhance convenience during trips. Most people focus only on points, but these perks often provide greater value than the points themselves. The annual fee is significant, but if you travel frequently and use the rewards strategically, it's justified. Planning point redemption carefully ensures you maximize value. Keep in mind that points can expire, so tracking and timely use is crucial. In conclusion, the RBC Avian Visa Infinite is ideal for travelers seeking flexible rewards and premium benefits. Most people get this wrong by ignoring insurance and concierge perks, but when used wisely, it offers excellent value. Subscribe for more credit card insights and tips to optimize rewards and benefits for your lifestyle.